welcome on this wet morning to a beautiful Renault Alpine A110, which has been here for quite a while. Yes, good morning. Welcome to the channel. If this is the first video of mine you've watched, please explore some others and see some more of the other lovely cars that we have detailed in PPF. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for returning and looking at another car. Of course, if you're not a subscriber, I should say, please click on the little subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner and then click the bell if you're feeling super keen so that you get notified about when I release a new video. Really helps the channel and gets the message out there and gets more people to see more of the cars that we've detailed. So if you're doing that stuff, massively appreciate it. If you like the video, if you can click the like button, just for a little channel like this and a little business like mine, really helps me. So thank you if you're doing that stuff already. And if you've just done it because I've just asked, you are amazing. Beautiful things will happen to you today, I can assure you. Anyway, on to die evil thing. Anyway, let's talk about this beautiful Alpine, which is, I can't remember if they call it the initial edition or Premiere edition. Sorry, owner of the car, I know you're probably going to watch. Premiere edition, I should have realised. So this is a A110 Premiere edition, which my customer who owns this bought about a year ago, just over a year ago actually. At the time, we PPF'd the front bumper and the bonnet, and then did a really nice, well, a lot of polishing actually on the bodywork, the rest of the bodywork, machine polishing, and then ceramic coated everything. So, in essence, this has come back in for its annual ceramic coating top-up, just to renew the water behaviour. The base protection from the ceramic coating is still there, but after a year, some contaminants get sort of embedded into the top of the coating. It doesn't quite bead as well as it could. The car has done 6,000–7,000 miles this year, so needs just a really big deep clean, and then we just refresh that top coat of the coating. So aside from that, the rear near side alloy wheel had a bit of a ding on it. So I've done a separate video actually on that because it's a what's called a diamond cut face, so a lacquered face. So this bit here is lacquered metal. Interesting to see, if you're a geek like me, interesting to see the process of how those wheels are refurbished. So I've done a separate video on that. Maybe I'll put a little thing up in the top right hand corner now, a ding, there you go. You can have a look at that video with our friends over at the Wheel Specialists in Cwmbran, Newport, Cardiff Wheel Specialist, really cool guys. Known them for a long time, do a great job. So, and they've actually saved the wheel on this. They're over £500 the wheels on this car from Renault, and the boys managed to save it. So it's still a couple of £100 repair, but still a net saving of more than £300. So everyone's happy. So yeah, I personally wasn't very happy with how the PPF had settled down on the bonnet. So we've replaced that under warranty. Any PPF you've had done for me, I always will ask to see it again in 6 to 8 weeks really, or a few weeks. Fairly common in the industry. If you go to Topaz, they'll do the same, because it's a wet application, so the water takes a month or so really to come out from underneath the adhesive layer. So it does keep settling down. Important for us to keep an eye on it. I am always super keen about customer satisfaction with my work. So customer actually was fine with this. But I looked at it and I wasn't super happy. So we changed the bonnet, and also on the other side, I think I got a little clip of it. So if I have, put it in there, James. Does it come off? There's marks in the film. Yeah, hopefully you've just seen from that. I had a little mark just there in the PPF on the other side of the car. So we just replaced, the PPF had done its job, it saved an impact, avoided having to go for a bumper repaint. So we've replaced the bumper PPF as well. Probably the hardest, most horrible bumper to PPF in the world, this one, because we've got the Alpine badge, the spotlights. It's a tricky, tricky bumper to do. So yeah, and then we have given the car a really good clean, give it another decontamination, picked up a lot of tar, a lot of airborne contamination, and then so very light machine polish, and we've renewed that ceramic top coat. So car's got its gloss back, and really it's back to brand new again now. The wheels repaired, going to be lovely and easy to clean, ready to be enjoyed and driven like these Alpines are meant to be for another year. So that was the job. Hope you're enjoying the channel. Hope you're seeing a lot of the other things. The Bentley video that we put out just now. Yeah, as you'll see, I'm uploading a lot at the moment, and that is really, I've got a legacy of older stuff hanging around. Like I said, we had a bit of a pause sort of 3/4 of the way through last year. A lot of personal stuff was going on. So we had a bit of a pause. So I'm just trying to get all of that stuff back out, up onto the channel, let you guys see the work that we've been doing. So hope you've enjoyed this one. Hope you enjoy the wheel refurb video if you're looking at that. Hope life is good with you. If it is, I really hope so. If it's not, it'll sort itself out soon, hopefully. So, yeah, take it steady, have a good day, and we'll see you all again on the next video, guys.